This was the classification based upon the hosts of viruses. The viruses were divided into phytophagini, zoophagini, bacteriophages, cyanophages. I say hey, cyanophages are the viruses which affect cyanobacteria. Cyanophages, that is viruses which affect or which infect the cyanobacteria, that is blue green algae. बड़ा आसान है. Now we will classify organisms based or now we will classify these viruses, that is viruses based on the genetic material. What molecule, what type of nucleic acid acts as a genetic material to these viruses? Viruses are classified into number A, deoxyvira, deoxyviruses or deoxyvira. Deoxyvira or deoxyviruses are the viruses where the genetic material is DNA. These are the viruses deoxyvira where the genetic material is DNA. That is, their genetic material is a molecule which is a DNA. It may be double-stranded DNA which acts as a genetic material of these viruses, or a single-stranded DNA which acts as a genetic material to these organisms. For example, double-stranded DNA has been found in case of hepatitis B virus. In hepatitis B virus, a double-stranded DNA acts as a genetic material. Or pox virus is a virus where double-stranded DNA is a genetic material. Or there is adenovirus, adenovirus, where double-stranded DNA is a genetic material. And single-stranded DNA has been found in large number of viruses like coliphage, coliphage, coliphage 174. Coliphage 174 is a virus where single-stranded DNA acts as a genetic material. Or coliphage MS2. These are the viruses where it has been found that it is a single-stranded DNA which acts as a genetic material. Now, another group of viruses is known as RIBO, Ribovira or riboviruses. Ribovira or riboviruses, बड़ा आसान है, are the viruses where RNA acts as a genetic material. And here you will also see that this genetic this genetic material, that is RNA, when RNA acts as a genetic material, it may be either single-stranded or double-stranded, that is double-stranded or single-stranded RNA. Double-stranded RNA has been found in tumor virus, reovirus. Reovirus is there where double-stranded RNA acts as a genetic material, and tumor virus, which causes tumor virus, where double-stranded RNA has been found as a genetic material. Similarly, you will see single-stranded RNA in a large number of viruses, and these are known as you will see most of the viruses has single strand RNA, and these are mostly plant viruses. Most of the viruses where RNA is genetic material, that is most of the RNA viruses have single stranded RNA as genetic material. For example, tobacco mosaic virus is a virus where single stranded RNA is a genetic material. Influenza virus or HIV virus or a group of viruses known as retroviruses. In all these viruses, you will see that it is the single-stranded RNA which acts as a genetic material. Now, what we have read in this part of lecture, that viruses are classified into two groups on the basis of the molecule which acts as a genetic material. As we know that in viruses, you will see there are two main particles found in most of the viruses, that is nucleic acid and the protein capsid. And in nucleic acid, you will see either it may be DNA or RNA, and out of DNA or RNA, only one molecule is present. First of all, you have to remember it. Never you will see in a virus DNA and RNA are present together, either DNA or RNA, and out of these two molecules which are present in a virus, these acts as a genetic material. When DNA is present, it acts as a genetic material, and when RNA is present, it acts as a genetic material. That means these are the molecules present in viruses which have the property to enter into the host cells and then synthesize new virus particles, and protein capsid remains outside. ऐसे में बोलूँगा, if this is a host cell, and outside this, here you will see, if this is a virus, and this virus has protein coating and the DNA. For example, if it is DNA or RNA, DNA oblique RNA, out of two only one, and this is protein capsid. Which molecule enters into the host cell? It is this molecule, that is DNA of the virus. If this is virus containing DNA or RNA and protein coating, out of these two molecules which enters into the host cell, it is the nucleic acid, it is the DNA or RNA which enters into the host cell. That means this molecule acts as a genetic material. It enters into the host cell, then directs the synthesis of new virus particles, and this protein coating remains outside the host cell. And on the basis of this genetic material, we divided viruses into two groups. Number first, deoxyvira, where our DNA is a genetic material, where DNA acts as a genetic material, either double-stranded DNA or single-stranded DNA, which I have already said that it may be double-stranded or single-stranded with examples. And another group is a Ribovira, and are the viruses where the RNA acts as genetic material, either double-stranded RNA or single-stranded RNA. But you will see that in most of the RNA viruses where RNA acts as genetic material, it is the single-stranded RNA which acts as a genetic material. Thank you for this video. I will come with another video on viruses, especially structure of viruses, with special examples of tobacco mosaic virus and the bacteriophages. Thank you.